Angelina Baker. This is in the double D tuning. First string E, second string D, third string A, fourth string D, fifth string A. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to play and sing it, that's a good way to memorize it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angelina Baker, Angelina is gone. She left me here to weep a tear, beat on the old jawbone. Angelina's handsome, Angelina's tall. She broke her little ankle bone, dancing in the hall. I seen my Angelina in the springtime and the fall. I seen her in the cornfield, and I seen her at the ball. But every time I saw her, she was smiling like the sun. And now I'm left to weep a tear, 'cause Angelina is gone. If you like to sing higher, you could sing Angelina Baker, Angelina